Direct Depot Kitchens, and I'm here to show you another great accessory for our Starmark custom cabinetry. Today is for you bakers. I'm talking roll-out tray storage. Everyone knows that baking trays are a massive pain to store, and even worse to try and find the one that you need. Everyone does the same thing, right? You build a leaning stack of trays inside one of your cabinets and pray that you don't crush your fingers every time you need one. Well, this unit helps keep you organized by dividing up the space neatly, plus it pulls out all the way so you don't have to break your back to bake a loaf of bread. A quick hot tip here, you can organize by type, so cookie sheets get one slot, muffin tins get another, and so on. You'll find our roll-out tray storage at Direct Depot along with our other fantastic Starmark cabinetry accessories. Thanks for watching!